Right, okay, so I've had loads of questions in, but I want to ask one. I buy a lot of commercial wine, so pick bits up in the supermarket when they're offer, quite often tempted by the £5-6 mark, you know, when they've got something that takes my fancy. How would that quality compare with some of the homemade kits? What would you suggest I tried?
Okay, so we can break the kits that we do into brackets. You've got the £30 to £40 type price range, which is obviously for 30 bottles. So you're looking at around £1 a bottle for those ones, if you're making it yourself. Those are going to compare very much with your bottom end kits, your bottom end wine in the supermarket. So the cheaper stuff that you can buy in the supermarkets, that is going to be quite comparable with.
Okay.
Our next range, we're going around the £50 mark for wines. So again, you're looking at just under £2 a bottle. Those ones are going to be very comparable to your £5 to £7.50 bottles.
Yeah, the ones you can
and the ones that tend to come on offer as well. So you're going to be comparable with that. You're then up to your wine kits that are selling at £78 to £100. So on those ones you're around £3 a bottle, and those ones are going to be far more comparable with your £10+ bottles, £10 a bottle plus. So it really depends on where you want to be. The one thing that I would say on the wine kits, and this isn't actually going to do me any favours, but I'm trying to be truthful, the better the quality of the wine kit, the longer you need to leave it before you drink it. So some of the wine kits we've just talked about at the £90, you must leave them 6 months, otherwise it's not worth buying them.
Okay.
You've really got to give them time to age, just like a commercial wine. You know, that takes time to get better. So again, if you are wanting the better quality, then make sure you give it time. And maybe you need some of the cheaper ones just to fill in while you're waiting for the more expensive ones to mature. But hopefully that will allow you to start buying some more of our wine kits.
Well, I'm thinking even obviously at the top end, £3 a bottle is still, for a really good quality, is still miles cheaper than what I could be buying in the supermarket at 5 or 6.
Absolutely.
£7.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You've got so much duty in the wine that you're paying. You know, in the UK, you've got all your transport costs, you've got all the margins that retailers are making, that supermarkets and all the various people in the chain make. Everybody's having a slice of it, and that's why it makes it quite expensive in the end. So yeah, on the better quality, there's no doubt you get super value.
Great, thank you.